Today, guys, we're going to be doing continuity tests. What is continuity? Well, continuity is basically the ability for electricity to flow through a circuit, and the purpose of doing a continuity test is usually to try to find some kind of short or break in the circuit. So basically what you're going to want to do is whatever meter you've got, go ahead and consult your instruction manual to see exactly how they want you to use the continuity settings. On this specific model, that's the CL1000, it makes a noise every time that a circuit is completed, showing continuity. And I've brought here a series of things to test so you can see what exactly continuity is, and multiple ways to test it. Here's just a length of wire, probably 2 feet. You can see it has continuity. You can do the same thing with fuses, switches. Here's right here a fuse. As you can see, there's continuity there. Here's a relay right here. We'll test continuity on that. Here's a good way to do that. Go ahead and look at your diagram for what type of fuse you got. There's all kinds. And then you can go ahead and test continuity between the two. And if there is continuity, it will beep. Sometimes you can test it with a lot of different things here. Here's a switch you can test it with. Let me just go ahead and wrap this around our leads. Alright, so here you go. Switched circuit. All you have to do is test both ends. So off, on, connect circuit, off, on. Another variation here I have is just a homemade little jumper I made. I used this to jump a lot of things, just jump battery straight to whatever device I'm trying to test, and you can see continuity in this, even though there's a fuse and then it runs through a length of wire as well. You could still test that. So let's go and get a live look at this in a car. So coming up to the vehicle here, a test where you could apply continuity to see how things are working out is in your grounds, where you can actually test your ground to your chassis here. And let me see if I can just get you guys over here so you can see what's going on here. Alright, battery there. So you can actually check your continuity for grounds. So here I can actually connect one side to the battery, one side to the block, or even a ground wire. This one actually has no continuity as of right now. It has some. But you can test your continuity on just about any type of circuit. It can be a ground circuit, it could be a hot wire circuit. Yeah, sweet guys, thanks for watching.